Time now for Good4Utah Gardens, brought to you by Millcreek Gardens.
Every day is a great day at Millcreek Gardens, and you know what? It's a great day here on Good Things Utah because Millcreek Gardens came to us. I'm with LaRene right now, and we're having a teaching moment.
Hey, we are. It's a great day to be out there in the garden smelling the wonderful apricot.
Oh,
smell that.
Lovely, yes.
This is a plum.
This is a plum.
Right here.
And what's this one?
This is the plum.
Okay.
Can you believe that
It's
in your garden?
lovely. Well,
now
it smells like spring.
From Sunday to Monday, this opened up, and I like got a whiff and blew in my window. So I want to show you a little bit about pruning these just quickly. This and the apricot, you can see how there's the foliage here. Hasn't come out yet, but you say, is that dead or not? That one's still alive because you can see the green under it. But look, this one here, it's dead. It's
oh, it just broke right off. It's
so
brittle.
we want to trim that back to the stem. You don't want to trim into the collar right here. When you're trimming this away, because see there's a lot of growth there, you want to thin it out a bit. You're going to prune right above that collar. If you go inside the collar, it's kind of damaging to the tree.
All right, but you're saying if it's green on the inside, it's still alive.
Yeah, it's a keeper.
That's what we're
That's
looking
right.
for.
That's
that
right.
green, not brown.
So this one here's brown. Can you see that?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That's the difference. That's how you know.
That's right.
What do you have right down
Hey,
here?
we're going to plant a window box of vegetables. You can get in the garden right now and plant your leafy greens, your peas. You can also do root crops. So we have some lettuce right here. Now this lettuce, I want to show you really close. This got burned in the frost a couple of days ago, but it's okay. So when you're getting these lettuce starts, you have to thin them. We've put a few in here right now, but see how there's like 10 starts in here?
Yeah.
We're going to take that apart right there. Let's go ahead and put that in the soil right here. We're
that
just using
little
a
guy is
planter
what
digger.
you're planting?
We're going to put them in there just like
goodness.
that.
Okay.
That's planted
there
now.
You go.
Okay. Now these happen to be onions. These are Walla Walla onions. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to pull these apart.
Okay.
And we're going to plant a couple of them in here. If you don't thin them, they're not going to grow right. They're going to be too close together, okay?
Good
so
to
here
know.
We go.
Very good tip.
You put the little
Now let's talk about the
roots in
difference
there.
between dirt and soil, LaRene. I know that that's an important distinction to make.
Well, dirt's what you wash your clothes, and what you're doing is you're enhancing the soil structure. We're giving this a good drink because you're going to water things right in.
Okay.
You're going to want to make your soil structure really nice. See how this is mixed in? And it's got really good characteristics of aeration in the soil.
Yep.
And some compost in there for fluffiness.
Now
This
that's
right
the
here.
dirt, right?
This is the dirt right here.
Okay.
Now watch what happens when we mix some compost in there from this Harvest Supreme, which is great for edibles and fruit trees. Look at the difference on that. And you wet that up a little bit. Some people say, I'm going to go dig everything out of my yard. No, just add compost. See the difference?
Oh, that's
and
so good to know. And then that
together.
dirt is salvageable.
Absolutely. And the
And you can use
microbes
it.
are going to move that soil. It's awesome. So let's go ahead and look over here.
You have some beautiful examples of what you could plant in the mountains, the desert, the city.
That's
Which
right.
one's this?
This one here is going to be the mountain scene, and this is an evergreen with a little lemon thyme here. This is the lemon thyme, and it smells wonderful. And then the golden creeping jenny. This one here is a city garden. You can put all these little evergreens in here. This is just a miniature one of the one we just saw with the golden creeping jenny and some sedums, and then even some bark, some things that are, rocks, bark you can put in here.
Is that
This
just
is
for
wonderful.
embellishment on the
That's
top
right.
you're adding?
It's going to look wonderful, and this
I
is
like
going to
that.
trail over the side.
Lovely.
Now for fun here, we have some more city garden here. This is something you put something in the middle first for your thriller, and then you put the spillers around the side and some fillers in there. But look what happens. See the gold you can pick up? Look what happens when we change it to a different color. Isn't that fun?
Oh, that changes everything.
You can see that. Now here's another one. We have the pink tones here with the white and the dark center there. Look what happens when we trade this one out. Look how dramatic that is.
Completely different
Some people
look.
might want more of a cool look.
Yes.
This is more of a hot look.
That warms it right up.
Pretty
I
fun.
feel like I want that for summer at my house.
Also, this is dianthus, so smell this little guy. This is really, really fun. Now,
oh, it's lovely.
let's go to the desert for just a minute.
Yes, show me the desert, LaRene.
Okay, here's the desert. It's going to have water-wise plants.
You
Again
have
with
the
that lemon
succulents.
thyme, and they've added rocks to this one. Super cool. You're always going to want to use compost, like the Gardener and Bloom planting mixes are excellent. This one here is a really supreme high-quality product here. You're going to mix it 50% of your backfill soil when you plant. Super cool plant here at the end. This Scarletto Leucothe. This one here has the red tips on the and the blossoms are going to come out here in a few weeks. It's great for partial shade to shade. Now, let me
Only
show you.
LaRene could teach us all of this in just a matter of 5 minutes. And you know what? She'll be able to teach that to us as well. 3900 South 9th East is where
3500 South
3500 South 9th East is where Millcreek Gardens is. And every day is a great day at Millcreek Gardens.
Planted this the 24th or the 19th of December. look what it did. I just put it at the side of my house, and it bloomed out here this week. And it's your bulbs I planted on the 19th of December
Gorgeous.
last
LaRene,
year.
thank you so much. Bri, back to you.